Welcome to VLOGMAS 2023. What's up YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Tartor here, and this is your first time. Hi and welcome to my channel. Welcome to VLOGMAS 2023. So today is the 23rd and it's 2 days to Christmas. Today my friends and I are going to be doing a dinner and game night type of thing. We're going to be cooking and I'm supposed to be there right now, but I'm here doing intro. I'm late, guys. I'm just gonna show you guys my outfit of today because I don't have time. I just wanted to show y'all the full fit in a better, See? My brown teddy matching my brown boots. I'm a fashionista, guys. And I look cute. Anyways, I'll see you guys there. Bye. Guys, I'm in the process of cooking. These are the plates for the jollof. I did the salad. There's cabbage on there. And right now I'm marinating the chicken. Yo, this is crazy. I'm done with my own part of the food.
What did the ingredient that you're talking about? Then where she wants to go, they're fast food. Check it out. People have been drinking. They're giving. Because of Christmas. Mary.
Is that Mary? That was scary. So tired. Oh.
No.
Croatia.
Croatia. France. Yeah.
It's France.
France.
Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Didn't you even get it?
Japan. Japan. Always moisturize your lips, guys. Please. Because some of you walk around with those crusty, broken, dry lips. That's not cute. That's not what we're trying to see. You guys, I am struggling to get the sun. Anyways, today is the 24th. It is one day to Christmas, and today is Sunday. So the church, the church I attend over here, which is the Commission Church, we are basically going to be having a Christmas lunch, dinner type of thing. Y'all, this period we are eating. So I am going to be beating my face, do my makeup. So this is a get ready with me, but not really, because I'm probably going to skip a lot of steps, because I know you guys actually genuinely don't care about seeing the process. But I just wanted to have a chance to actually talk, just a little sit down video, and honestly just say everything that I am grateful for this year, because this is a festive period. This is the season to be grateful, to be thankful, and honestly I feel like there are a lot of things I can be grateful for this year. So I just wanted to use this opportunity to just talk, because things could have been worse, but things have been way better this year than a lot of times. Like the past years have been crazy, but this year has been good. So I just want to talk to you guys while I beat my face. Okay. I moisturize my face. I need to get a new primer, as you can see. Okay, so the first thing I am so grateful for, honestly, is being able to return to China because online for 3 years, because I don't know if you don't know, if this is your first time, I studied online for 3 years. I was in China in 2019. I went back to Nigeria in 2020 because of COVID, and it was something else. So I am honestly grateful to be able to return and return back to studies, back to all that, because honestly online for 3 years it was hell. Like me personally, I know I would have still preferred that I went back than staying here, because the people that were here they were going through a lot. Like it was hard. So honestly I don't regret going back, let me put it out there, but it got really tiring. Like obviously online classes in the nights, in the AM, when I'm supposed to be sleeping, it was hard. Like it got really tiring. So I am very grateful that I am back. Now the next thing I am grateful for, honestly, is the people that I have met this year. I have met so many amazing people this year since I've been back. Honestly, my experience in China this year is very, like, right now I can tell you, like, yeah, I like China, I'm enjoying it. In 2019, if you had asked me that question, my experience was so different. In 2019 I didn't really meet people. I wasn't really going out. I was studying Chinese, and I feel like the campus I was in didn't really have they have foreigners, but not so much, like, because that was the campus for the Chinese students and people studying Chinese, and I was staying off campus, so I wasn't like even in the dorm to meet more people. Being in the dorm and being outside, the experiences are different, especially in your first year. Except you're a very, very social person, then it's probably different for you. But for people like me, it was crazy. I'm grateful for the people I've met this year, because honestly I've met really amazing people. I am so grateful. Okay, so the next thing I am grateful for, honestly guys, God has been so faithful this year. Like I can't go into details because it's personal, but I am so grateful to God for slowly but surely bringing my family out of oh guys, my foundation is looking crazy. Let me fix this real quick because I'm looking a little crazy. So like I was saying, God has honestly done, like, I just ruined my makeup. sorry guys, this is just a lot. But honestly, God has been so faithful this year, like since 2020, yeah, the end of 2020 to this year, like the beginning of this year, it was, things were a lot, like a lot happened, and I can't go into details because it's personal, like I said, but so much happened in my family. Like, I'll just say something happened to my dad's business, and you know how that goes. Like, yeah, so that happened and things were not easy, but God has kept us. God has kept my family, you know. Even in the midst of all that, he was faithful, like still helped us. And this year things have honestly been so, like, way better. Like, we're not there yet, you know, we're still getting back. Things have been so much better than the past years, and I am just so grateful to God, because I don't know about y'all, but if it wasn't for God, there are just things that happened. I'm like, if I didn't believe in God, like, all in all, the point of what I'm trying to say is I am grateful to God for what he has done for my family. This is way deeper than how I'm just putting it, but I am so grateful to God. Like, it's really just God. Anyways, not off topic, because for my girls trying to learn makeup, I know this may not be so helpful to you guys, but let me just give you a little tip. If you ever like have water on your face, or you get tears when you're doing your makeup for any reason, you could get teary eyes or whatever, don't touch it, let it dry. Okay, look, do you see anything? Like, I had tears, but like now it's gone. So don't touch it, don't try to dab it or anything, just let it dry. Okay, moving on. Because it's, you know, it's winter, it's Christmas, we're trying to look like we're in cold. I look like a reindeer. Okay, so the next thing I am grateful for is the church I have found this year, Commission Church. Honestly, it's just been so great. Like, every time I go there, the ministry is amazing. Like, I just love it. Like, the people I've met there, it just feels like a family. Like, it's so amazing. Like, I am so grateful to God for the people that recommended or invited me, the people there, the pastor, everybody. I am so grateful. Like, the people are so amazing, the church is amazing. I'm just grateful. I'm so grateful for Commission Church. I'm grateful for the people. I'm grateful for everything. Honestly, I am just grateful for my friends, home and abroad, everywhere. I am grateful for my friends because they are so amazing, and I'm just grateful for God giving me friends like that, like putting them in my life. So for that, I'm grateful. I'm grateful for my family. I'm grateful for my parents, my siblings. I love y'all. I'm so grateful. Honestly, I'm grateful for my family. I'm grateful for everything. Like, I'm just grateful for life, for being here, for being alive, for being healthy. I'm grateful. I am grateful for everything. So because it's Christmas, I am going to put on lipstick. Yeah, I'm going to put on red. Today we are serious. We didn't come to play. Okay? No, this isn't red. Oh my god. Red. How did I even see that wasn't red? Anyways, I don't like lipstick, guys, or this is scary. Oh, that is bright. Smells so good. I look like I'm in Africa Magic. I don't know, guys. I may clean this because I'm not really feeling it. I feel like I look crazy. I don't know how I feel about this. What do you guys think? Like, I don't know how I feel. I'm really not a lipstick girl. You know how sometimes you do makeup and it looks good, then you put the lipstick or do the lips and it just throws everything off, and I feel like this is really throwing it off. What do you guys think? I mean, it doesn't really matter because you guys are gonna see this after the day has passed. So I don't know. Maybe I should put on my outfit and see. I bought this lipstick because I found I didn't have red. I bought it specifically for today, so I must wear it. What do you guys think? And be honest, but not so honest, because y'all gonna get my feelings hurt. Okay, so I am dressed. Well, sort of. My scarf. I ain't going nowhere without this scarf because it just adds to the razzle dazzle. Guys, I am really in the Christmas spirit. I bought this cute Christmas sweater. I decided to line my lips with a maroon lipstick instead, and honestly, now I'm like, yeah, this was made for me. Yeah, it looks way better to me. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but I love it. I love this makeup. I'm gonna show y'all the full fit now. Okay, you guys, look, my bag has this cute reindeer thing. It's giving Christmas. Let me show you guys my full fit. I'm wearing these boots again, I know. Yeah, but these boots are so comfortable, and honestly, they're the best things to wear this winter. So I look so Christmassy. That's a word. Go and Google it if you don't believe. I'm really in the Christmas spirit, Christmas vibe. Yeah. Anyways, I will see you guys when I get there.
My baby's outfit.
Yes. No. Yes. 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 No. Yes. No. No. DJ. in a controversial line. The things of God still need to be executed, needs to be done, no matter the controversy. And you will see here that in verse 19, the Bible says, give me the answer. If you don't have the answer, it's fine.
Merry Christmas.
I'll give the answer.
This year, honestly, I'm grateful for the people I've met this year, friends, everything. Like, I've had a good year.
Alright, Merry Christmas, y'all. Remember, he's the reason for the season.
Period.
I am grateful for this community, the friends that I've met, and just knowing the Lord.
For what the Lord has done in my life, and I thank God for my friends and my family, and yeah, I think that's just it. I'm thankful for all the people I met this
Welcome
year.
to my YouTube
This
channel.
one.
I'm thankful for being alive. I'm thankful for my family, for my friends, for the new people I've met, and the people I've never met.
Okay. Guys, I am back home. I'm so tired, honestly. Like, I am so sleepy. I just got back, went somewhere else to eat because the food was not much, as you saw, and I was hungry, so went somewhere to eat. Tomorrow is the 25th. I unfortunately have a class, and I'm sure I'm not going to do anything because I've basically done everything. Like, every Christmas activity was done during the weekend, so tomorrow I'm just gonna have a class. Show you how beautiful today would have looked if they had if they had decided to decorate with Christmas decorations, but they didn't, and it's quite disappointing. Like, it's so mid, but it's what it is.
It shimmers for real.
Some of you need this when you're walking around with your dry, crusty hands. Some people. have to wait. Can you imagine? Bro, we just came all the way and we have to wait outside just to eat. In all, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Honestly, I know like there wasn't much, but I actually I have enjoyed this Christmas. I have enjoyed spending time with my friends, and it's just interesting to hear what people are grateful for. Remember to reflect and know what you're grateful for this year, even though it's hard, because it's important. With all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoy your Christmas and have an amazing time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. With all that being said, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.